Hi guys, today I will be sharing with you my experience in second language acquisition. I remember that my first contact and interaction with the language was when I went to school. There I had to memorize a lot of words because in exams, for example, I was asked to fill in the blanks and I wasn't able to produce the language in a natural way. I had to produce the language that my teachers asked me to produce. And it was a kind of one word or two word stage that learners of the L1 experience. And also in the overgeneralization of the language, I remember that I had some problems with plurals and also with the tense of some verbs because I applied the rules. For example, with a word that was very similar, or with a word that was very similar with another word for the rule that I had previously learned. And my teachers used to use the grammar translation method, and I remember that they gave us lists of verbs, and the one that memorized more words was the one that had a better grade. Also, in the audiolingual method, it was very boring because we had to do a lot of repetition, and I think that it caused some barriers of the language because we weren't interested in the language, and we didn't see the language as a useful thing. And then when I started to speak more or to produce more the language, I used to transfer it because if not, I wasn't able to produce it. And I remember that before saying or before speaking in English, I had to think it in Spanish. And now I think that I have overcome this problem. Also, in the interlanguage and the fossilization of the language, I used to have problems with the word which, and I remember that a teacher told me to write the word 100 times and 100 times, and I'm not sure if that helped me, but now I write the word correctly, and because I used to forget to write the H after the W. And so in short, learning the L1 and the L2 is very similar, and but even though of course the L2 will be more difficult depending on the age that we start to learn it or to acquire it. And well, that was all for my video, and thanks for watching.